called the tap station now. At one time, in the past, it was an auto repair shop called Holt & Sons. But now they turned it into a bar and a brewery. You can probably tell at one time it used to be an old gas station from back in the day. Them used to be outdoor restrooms. There used to be the pumps right here. People go in to pay for their gas, or they used to come out. Remember the old hoses which you run over and to make the bell sound? You can tell it used to be that. They built the upstairs after they closed down for a while to do the remodeling. Put all these seats out here. They have indoor seatings too. Cool little old gas pump right there. So yeah, you can see them used to be the overhead doors. I passed by this place before when it was a shop. When the doors was open, they had to use the lifts in there, had the cars working on them and everything. Now it's totally been redone. It's a bar now. Imagine that. Well, it's closed right now, but let's come back when it's open. Oh, would you look at that? It's open now. There's people here. Them garage doors used to be bays. I remember passing by here at one time and seeing all the mechanics working. They had 3 bays and they had lifts in it. Well, let's go in. It's cool upstairs. I might have to adjust my camera for the light because it's kind of dim in here. It's a pretty cool place. I hope the music don't give me no copyright claim. There's a brewery over there. That's where they make the beer. Oh, I got blanket fluid. Beer, root beer.
So this is called Luchador. It's a Mexican lager.
Okay. Yeah, that's pretty good. Luchador, like a wrestler. Yeah. All right, I'll take some of that.
You like that one? Do you want to try the Peak City too?
Yeah, I'm gonna try the Peak City too. Yeah. They made a lamp out of old oil can. All around the bar. Go some of the brewery, we'll go some of the brewery stuff in Bay 1. Or it used to be Bay 1. So let's go upstairs and see what it looks like. Oh, look at the brewery. Oh, this is cool. Oh, this is cool. They made a table out of a truck. Old truck. I like this. That's cool. A great view of nothing. It's a regular intersection. But this car is cool. I like this. They got it set up like a restaurant inside instead of a car. But that's enough for Tap Station. Bye, Tap Station.